LeTech presents a professional leather cleaner of the next generation. Leather Ultimate Cleaner with BioCare formula. Leather Ultimate Cleaner combines two main principles: the highest cleaning efficiency and the maximum safety in use. BioCare formula technology includes the latest developments in the field of environmental safety, antibacterial effectiveness, precisely selected modern components that guarantee effective cleaning and safety for all natural leather and its topcoat. Leather Ultimate Cleaner features enhanced foaming and cleaning properties, which significantly increases the efficiency of cleaning. Special aromatizers in its composition fill the space with the scent of expensive leather, which undoubtedly makes it individual and recognizable. Use the best professional leather care products by LeTech.